all right? X squared plus 2x. Okay. So we do the algebra part. Now the second part of the question, right? Well, the third and fourth, I should say. If the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeters, so they want us now to use this information and use what we know to calculate the value of x and then get the length of the longest side of the triangle. So if the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeters, how are we going to find the value of x? What should we do? Anybody, what should we do? So I'm going to another slide for this, right? So they told us that the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeters. What else do we know about the perimeter? So let's look at all the information that we have here, right? We want to find the value of x. So how can we connect the 24 to something that we could find the value of x? Share your thoughts. Even if you're eating, even if you're chugging down a Monster, even if you're just sitting around feeling a little, uncertain, sometimes say what's on your mind. You never know, you might be going in the right direction. All right. So, Joanna, I know I didn't call on you at all for the evening. So, Joanna, I want you to tell me, right? They told us that the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeters. Is there any way that we can connect that value to something in terms of x, so we could solve for x to find the value of x? And not because I call on Joanna, I mean the rest of you are just gonna sit back and be like, yeah, Joanna, you answer. Come on. I want you all to think about it a little bit. How can I connect the perimeter of 24 centimeters to something in terms of x, because I need to solve for x? So we have two expressions in terms of x on the slide. We have p is equal to 6x and we have a is equal to x squared plus 2x. Which one of those you think is most applicable for this part here with the 24 centimeters? Very good, Joanna. Very good. Use the 6x. So if the perimeter is 24 centimeters and we have an expression saying perimeter is 6x, so you'll just give Joanna a little clap for that. Right? So they told us perimeter is 24 centimeters and we got the expression that the perimeter is 6x. We're going to create an equation by combining these two pieces of information. All right? And how we do that? We're going to create an equation. So we're going to say that 6x is equal to the 24. Now, again, this is a one-step equation, right? Can you all tell me how we'll get the value of x? What should we do to get the value of x? Also, just a little heads up, because I know I like to be competitive and things. I have a Kahoot that I want to do with some basic tricks. So make sure all your brain fueled up and stuff and ready for it in like a 15 minutes. We'll do it, right? Very good, Eurissa. So we have to divide the 24 by 6. We want to solve for x, so we divide the equation by 6, and we will get that x is equal to 24 divided by 6 should give us 4. So there we go.